Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch and here we are going to select the exit plane, rotate the view. This will be the top view. Now take the rectangle command, take a 2-point center rectangle, select the center point and make a rectangle profile. Now go to dimension. Here the width we will define as 250 mm, okay, and the height here will be 150 mm, okay. Now take the fillet command and here we are going to take fillet radius as 15 mm. Select this corner, select this corner, select this and here select this. Exit. Now finish sketch and here take the extrude command and take extrude of dimension 15 mm. This will be a single direction extrude and press OK. Okay. Now rotate the profile. We'll work with this view. Now we are going to generate the half of the profile and then we'll mirror the. Okay, go to part 1. We are going to construct this profile and then we'll mirror this. Okay. So to construct this, first we are going to construct this circle. Go to part 2. Here go to origin. Okay, and go to plane and take offset from plane. Now we'll select the YZ plane and we are going to take offset of minus 20 mm. So from mid plane this will be at a new plane will be at 20 mm distance. Press OK. Now select this new plane, go to create sketch, take circle command and here make circle of diameter 50. From same center point make circle of diameter 25. Okay. Now go to dimension. From here the center of the circle will be at a distance of 100.5 mm. Go to the horizontal constraint, select the center point and here select the center. So this is aligned properly. Now finish sketch, go to extrude, select the profile and it is going this side, so we'll flip the direction and here we are going to take a distance of 35 mm and press OK. Okay. Now go to extrude 2, select sketch 2 and here we will turn on the visibility. Okay. Now go to 2D sketch and we'll again select this new plane. Go to line command, select this corner, make one line here. Similarly select this corner and one line till this circle. Escape. Now go to line once again. Select this profile and select this corner and escape. So a closed profile will be generated. Now as you can see these lines are in green, so they are in moving form. So from here we are going to take tangent constraint. Select this line, select the circle, select the line, select the circle and escape. Okay. Home view. Now here finish sketch, go to extrude, select this profile. So it will select the profile below the circular profile here. Flip the direction and here we are going to take a extrude of 15 mm. Rotate. So this will be a 15 mm extrude here and press OK. Now select sketch 2, turn off the visibility. Now here select the XY plane, go to create sketch, take the line command, select this corner edge, select this edge, make one line inside and here one line like this, one line like this and till bottom and till here. Now escape. Now to show the inner profiles, we'll go to view, visual style and change it to wireframe. Now you can see the inner profiles. Go to sketch, take dimension. So this inner profile, okay, we have to construct one line here as well. Go to line and make one joining line. Escape, go to dimension. Here this will be of 2.5 mm and escape. This inner profile has been made to for proper matching. Okay, go to line, make it a close profile here. Escape. Okay, now finish sketch. Go to extrude, select this inner profile and select this outer. Okay, now here we are going to take symmetric and take extrude of 10 mm. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges, and here we are taking the joining profile. Press OK. Okay, now you can see it is joining properly. Otherwise the profile might have been outside of this circle. Okay, now select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, select the point command. We are going to make 2 points for the counter bore. Go to dimension. The point from the center point here will be at a distance of 100 mm and the vertical distance from center point will be 50 mm. Okay, similarly the vertical distance here will be of 50 mm. Escape. Now for the horizontal movement, so for this movement we are going to take the vertical constraint, select this line point and select this point. Okay, now you can see they are fully constrained. Finish sketch, go to 3D model. From here we are going to take hole command, and here we are going to take a simple hole, and this sheet will be counter bore. The counter bore top dia will be of 30 mm. Okay, and the depth of this will be of 3 mm, and the bottom dia here will be of 15 mm. Okay, so this will be a through hole. The 15 mm hole will be through hole. Okay, now press OK. Due to points, the software will automatically define the location of the holes and select the points. Okay, now select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Now we are going to mirror the complete profile this side. Okay, so here go to mirror command. We'll select from extrude 2, extrude 3, 4 and hole 1. Go to mirror plane, and here we are going to select the YZ plane. Rotate the view. Here you can see same profile is being shown. Now when I press OK, same profile will be generated. Okay, now here go to fillet, take a fillet radius here of 5 mm. Go to edge selection, select this corner, select this, rotate. Similarly select here and rotate. Select this profile also and select this also. Okay, now press OK. Now when I rotate it, now we will define the appearance. From here I have taken the chrome polished, so here also we will take chrome polished. Okay, so this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to learn how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.